Today I'm going to show you how I vacuum seal some of my jars, and we've got several types of jars. This is your regular quart size, wide mouth. These are like a spaghetti sauce from the store. This is a pickle jar. These are twist-on, twist-off type of lid. A peanut butter jar, which is a screw-on type, and a little one that's a twist-off. So we're going to start with these big guys here. These wide mouth quarts. Okay, next we want to try Walmart, I think this is Walmart, walnuts. We use a pickle jar, Mally's pickles, and a spaghetti jar. See how these work.
Let's wipe the dust off. Oatmeal. Let's try this guy. Give it a shake. First I'll do this too. Finger tight. Wipe off the lid a little bit here. Just finger tight that down.
Next we're going to use these two jars. Peanut butter, a twist on, and well, this is a screw on, and this is a twist off. We're going to use some raisins. Raisins. Let's see if this works. Get up here. Press them down a little. Wipe the lid off. Hold it tight. There we go. Let's get this guy here. And our pump. This is our pump over here, a vacuum pump. This is our vacuum chamber. Just I think it's 1.5 gallon, 3 gallon or something. And here's our little meter. Hook this thing up. Okay. So we just need to take off the lid, and we're going to put in you can see right there. Put this back on. It's just going to seal. This is a silicone corner edging, so we'll just center it on the center here. I'll make this, close this one off and open this one. Okay, let's see if we can see this. Okay, we're going to start it up. And just push down so it seals. And you can see the gauge going up. We want it to about minus 25 right here. Minus 25. And that'll give it a really good seal that is really hard to break. There it is at minus 25. I just shut this one off, turn off the pump. Give it a few seconds here. Then we're going to release this one here. And you can check. This here will be indented. Same here. These are a little harder to tell, except looking at it at an angle you can see it's indented. These guys are indented. Then we're going to seal up the oatmeal. This thing holds 4 quarts. It will also hold 2 half gallons. So put this back on. Make sure this is closed. Fire it up, press down until it seals. And you can see the pressure sucking the air out. Only takes about a minute or less. It reaches minus 25. There we are. Okay. Shut this off and shut that one off. Okay. So, pressure's released. Lift it up. Lift it out. Now the rings are loose, but the lid is sealed. So I just tighten them up a little bit. Always check, make sure they're sealed. And that's about all there is to it. This thing works really great. 4 quarts at a time. You can change, you can have different sizes, doesn't matter. So you can have all kinds of different sizes, store-bought. You repurpose these jars, and it works great. Now I just got to mark them up, put the date on it that I sealed them, and if you can tell what's in it, I don't usually put on there that it says walnuts, because you should be able to tell that part. Anyway, so easy to vacuum pack and seal things up for 6 months or a year or whatever. So I hope this helps. And if you want to vacuum pack things, get one of these guys and have fun.